Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today I'm thrilled to bring you my review of the Audi RS7 Sportback, a car that I've been highly anticipating for months. Let's dive right in. Starting at the front, we have the iconic Audi single frame grille, which gives the RS7 a bold and aggressive presence on the road. Flanking the grille, we have the sleek and angular LED headlights, which feature Audi's signature daytime running lights, providing exceptional illumination on the road. The aggressive front bumper is highlighted by a custom front splitter, which not only adds a touch of visual drama, but also helps to improve airflow and downforce at high speeds. The result of all this is a front end that's both menacing and mesmerizing, a true head turner that commands attention wherever you go. The RS7 rides on massive 22-inch forged alloy wheels with a unique 5-spoke design that adds to the car's already imposing presence. You typically find wheels this large on SUVs, but on the RS7 they fit perfectly, filling out the wheel wells and giving the car an unmistakable presence on the road. As we move along the side, the RS7's sleek and sporty profile comes into full view. The sloping roofline, chiseled flanks, and muscular hunches all work together to create a sense of fluid motion and athletic poise. The rear of the RS7 is a testament in aggressive design, with every line and curve working together to create a sense of anticipation and exhilaration. The tail lights are slim and sleek, and uniquely styled, spanning across the rear in a seamless high-tech band of light. The exhaust and diffuser are the crowning touch of the RS7's rear end, adding a sense of aggression and performance that's hard to ignore. And yes, they are real. As we step inside, we're immediately greeted by the luxurious ambiance and attention to detail that Audi is famous for. The doors are adorned in material selection with premium leather, Alcantara, look at that looks good, and aluminium trim, all working together to create a sense of opulence and refinement.
What's it like on the road, man? What's it
The
like?
seats are equally impressive, with aggressive bolsters and premium leather upholstery that provide exceptional comfort and support. I like the flat bottom steering wheel, wrapped in leather, which provides a tactile connection to the road. The center console is home to the RS7's MMI infotainment system, which provides a stunning 10.1-inch touchscreen display and intuitive controls. Throughout the cabin, premium materials and attention to detail are abound, creating a sense of luxury and refinement that's unmatched in this class.
Mind that started? Yeah. Put it in the middle. That's it.
Up to 10. Nah, let me rev it up a bit.
Yeah, this is neat, man.
Under the hood, this beast is powered by a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 which pushes 600 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque, paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission and quattro all-wheel drive system.
Thanks, bro.
And I have to say, amongst the current top high-performance sedans out there, this one is winning me over. Its perfect blend of performance, luxury, and everyday usability makes it a tough act to beat. A true masterpiece, the Audi RS7.
Cheers.
Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.